In this verse, the gopis are saying, you have stolen our minds and hearts, hands and feet, which they said they won't move from here. It's no return. When we finally attain Krishna, Sakshatkara Darshan, and his Nitya Seva in our spiritual body, there's no turning back, there's no coming back. We repeated that phrase the other day. Krishna said, if you come to me, you never return. Janma karma chame divyam, evam yo vati tattvata, tyaktva deham punar janma nayati mamati sorjana. There's no coming back. Punar janam nehi. If you go to Krishna, you don't go back to husbands, wives, material world, job, anything. It's just play. 24/7 play. Krishna's a play lord. He lives in a playland. Lila Bhumi means a playland, and Lila Purushottama means he's the supreme lord of play. So we play, love play, friends play, children play, mother play. They play with Krishna. The mother says, oh, go play, Krishna. So this is all Krishna does, is play. He skips and jumps and sings and steals, and everything he does, he just plays throughout the day. So the gopis are saying, you're preaching karam and gyan? We can't even think about that. You preach to us about religious duties and the path of dharma, but you've stolen the power of thinking, so how can we follow any path of karma or gyan? How can we follow gyan? You've previously told us, meditate on us. This is what gyanis do, they meditate. How can we do gyan, which you encouraged us to do a few verses ago, when we don't have any mind? Because without a mind you can't meditate, and without a mind you can't think. And then you said, do your housework. So how can we serve in our houses if we have no hands? Although you didn't mention feet, we will mention our feet. Our feet won't move from you, so we have no feet or hands or mind. That's pretty useless. If you have a servant in your house that has no hands and no feet and no mind, that's not so much useful. The useful servant. So the gopis are speaking with perfect, clear, irrefutable logic. Krishna's stumped. He said, our feet are now rooted like trees in this forest of Braj. As trees cannot move independently of their roots, we cannot move from your presence.